Hi, my name is Coda. This is my owner, Todd. He is, let's just say, your average college student. He never wakes up for his alarm. I usually have to wake him up so he isn't late for class. I wish he could understand me better.
Hey. Good boy. All right. Oh shit. Fuck. Get my chocolate. Oh god.
Wow. No food again.
Oh, there we go.
Oh. You'd think a man's best friend would get fed. Huh. I guess I gotta order from Canine Cookies again.
Agreed.
Mind. These are some doggies I'd like to give some treats to. I can't wait till Todd gets here. Oh my god, he's here! Hey! Hey! Hey, Todd! Hey, Todd! Todd! Hey! Hey! It's me! It's me! Hey, Todd! Remember when you forgot to feed me? Hey! Yeah, I'm not talking to you anymore. Oh.
Oh, it's Marissa. Hey, what's up, babe? Not much. Just walked home from school. What about you?
Oh, nothing much. Just chilling here. I was thinking about going to Landis maybe to do some homework later. What are your thoughts?
Landis, huh?
Dog park?
Alright, yeah, that should definitely work.
Sweet. Awesome. Yeah, bring him. Okay, cool. I'll see you soon. Alright, bye.
Oh man, Todd, I don't know how I can get mad. The dog park? Oh. Hey, what's up? Hey.
You ready to go play?
Hey.
Yeah, let's go play.
You ready to go play?
Oh, I want to play. Let's go play. Oh.
Yeah?
Let's go. Hey guys, long time no see. Hey, what's up? Oh, water. I'm so thirsty. Hey, is that a squirrel?
You know, he's been playing up a storm. Come on, Coda. Good boy.
Hey,
You're a good boy.
Sit.
So far, it's been busy at all, or?
That was pretty good, you know. Almost late to 8 a.m., but Coda was keeping me up all night, so I was pretty tired. What about you? How was your day?
Oh, it's been so freaking busy, dude. I've been caught up with so much schoolwork. I'm so over it. I can't wait to graduate.
Yeah, I know. I totally feel you on that. It's been a crazy semester. So, what are your plans for later?
Hey Todd, don't listen to her. Don't listen to her. It's a trap.
Maybe have another dog, maybe another baby.
Whoa, red flag.
I was kind of talking about like dinner tonight or something like that, but yeah, I guess we talk about the big picture another time.
All these dinner plans got me hungry. Let's go home. Is that peanut butter? Oh, I guess I can't. Oh, I'm awesome at Jeopardy.
There's definitely some Kendrick, I feel like.
Oh my god.
If you like it, then you should have put a ring on it.
That's a Drake line, yeah. Some Drake for sure.
No, Beyonce, you idiot. Why can't you hear me?
Kevin, there's Beyonce. Right.
God, aren't you supposed to be the smart one?
Good.
Damn, time got away from me from all that Jeopardy. I got Pablo's discussion board to do. I'm in trouble. Wish I had someone that could help me out. Maybe like you, Coda. I wish you could talk, man.
I
You really help
can.
me out with this homework. I think I'm gonna call it quits for the night.
Hey, hey, wake up, bitch!
What the fuck?